everyone. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest trends in interior design. Today, we're diving into wall panels, the ultimate way to elevate your walls from boring to breathtaking. In this video, we'll showcase the top 10 wall panel designs you need to see in 2025. Let's get started. Design 1, 3D geometric panels. First on the list, 3D geometric panels. These create a bold, textured look that adds depth to your walls, perfect for modern and contemporary interiors. Design 2, natural wood panels. Next up, natural wood panels. They bring warmth and elegance to any space and pair beautifully with both minimalistic and rustic designs. Design 3, metallic finish panels. Metallic finish panels are trending for 2025. Whether it's gold, bronze, or brushed nickel, these panels add a glamorous, high-end touch to your walls. Design 4, acoustic panels. For those looking to combine style with functionality, acoustic panels are a great choice. They reduce noise while looking chic, especially in home theaters or workspaces. Design 5, marble effect panels. Bring timeless luxury into your home with marble effect panels. They mimic the elegance of real marble without the hefty price tag or maintenance. Design 6, vertical slat panels. Vertical slat panels are everywhere in 2025. They're perfect for adding texture and a modern touch to your living room or hallway. Design 7, fabric upholstered panels. Fabric panels are ideal for creating a cozy atmosphere. Use them in bedrooms for a luxurious headboard effect or in lounges for a soft, inviting look. Design 8, concrete panels. Industrial lovers, this one's for you. Concrete panels are perfect for achieving that raw, edgy look that's trending in modern lofts and urban interiors. That's it for today's list of top 10 wall panel designs for 2025. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing design ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.